One more thing that you can do once the bed has heated up is you can reduce the feed rate to as slow as possible. By if you will rotate this in clockwise direction, it will reduce. So you can reduce it up to 30%. What this will do is when the print will start, the hot end will move slowly, the extruder will move slowly. So this will give you an ample amount of time to see whether the gap is okay between the nozzle and the plate or not. Now you see that the entire assembly is moving very slowly. So this will give you a good amount of time so that you can see whether the gap between the nozzle and the plate is okay or not. And if you think that the gap is too much or it is too less, you can use these screws, these wing nuts. You can use these wing nuts to increase or decrease the gap. In case you want to increase the gap between the nozzle and the bed, you can tighten these. That is, you can rotate them in anti-clockwise direction like this. And if you want to decrease the gap, you can just loosen these, rotate them in clockwise direction, and the springs will move up. Hence the gap will be reduced. Now you can see that the printer has started printing. Other thing to take care of is that the first layer should always be stick properly to the surface. If the first layer is printed perfectly on the build plate, after that you can increase the speed of the printer and you can do it up to 100% or 110%. But always monitor the printing of the first layer and make sure that the entire object's first layer has printed perfectly on the build plate. If there is any issue with the first layer, if any corner or any part of the first layer is not properly stick to the bed, the entire object might warp after some time, maybe say after few minutes or maybe an hour or so, if the print job is of longer duration. So once the first layer is printed, then you cannot easily print up to long hours. So it is not like that once the printer has started printing, you can just go away. Yes, you can leave it unattended, but only after seeing that one or two layers have printed properly. After that, you can leave the printed unattended for some time, but continuous intermittent attention is required to the machine. It is never advisable to leave the printer unattended, especially for long duration jobs. Say if the job is 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 or 15 hours, it is always necessary that you come and attend your printer and see whether everything is going in correct way or not. So now you can see that the first layer is printing properly. So we will show you how to increase the speed. Now you can just rotate this knob in the clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction. Now you see we have done it 100%, and now you see that this entire assembly will start moving with speed. So there you see the difference.